What is happening with CuteFish OS? Is the beautiful Linux desktop development coming to an end? In this video, let's find out about the future of CuteFish OS and CuteFish desktop environment. CuteFish OS is a beautiful Linux operating system that aims to deliver a stable experience and look like Mac OS. It's a stunning Linux distribution that uses Ubuntu and Debian as a base system. CDE is the core part of CuteFish OS, which consists of CuteFish desktop environment, window manager, control center, launcher, and dock. CDE is a modern-looking, elegant desktop environment, giving a different taste of the desktop experience. It has a modern and efficient user interface for a stunning user experience. The dock at the bottom gives a convenient place to access the application and features. Take a look at the control center. It's all-in-one control center that is easier for users to access and control different aspects of the system. CuteFish OS wins the hearts of every Linux user, but sadly, just like many other distributions, the development of CuteFish OS seems to be uncertain. If you head over to one of their websites, it clearly says the development of CuteFish OS is still in beta, and the changes that took place over the past 8 months are nothing. It's just the same OS that we have seen in the last year. If you install either Debian or Ubuntu version, you end up facing the unfinished work of CuteFish OS. Take a look at the file manager. It's completely broken and works only with a dark theme. Even with a dark theme enabled, the file manager still looks bizarre. Also, some users on Reddit complained that the official website of CuteFish OS is very slow and not reachable. I did face this issue and I believe their website is under maintenance. If you head over to their GitHub page and read the description of their project, which says your favorite CuteFish OS is back now and the new website is in the works. I'm seriously hoping the CuteFish team will resume its development sooner or later, and I don't want to see this project to be fallen or broken. On the other hand, it looks like OpenMandriva is already continuing with the development of the CuteFish desktop for its own OS. Also, Arch Linux has CuteFish desktop packages in the community repositories. You can even install it as a standalone desktop in Arch Linux with easy steps. Overall, I would say I don't know about the future of CuteFish OS, which is very hard to maintain due to insufficient funds, but at least the development of CuteFish desktop should be continued. In one word, making a desktop is much easier than making a complete distribution. So what do you guys think about the future of CuteFish OS and CuteFish desktop environment? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSKRIO. I will see you at the next one.